In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the slow-mo effect in Davinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto your clip, right-clicking, and clicking Retime Controls. Now, as you can now see the percentage. What you're going to do is click on the percentage and then click on the thing that shows up that says add speed point. Now what you're going to do is move over here just so that you can do it multiple times. Go add speed point and then once again add speed point. Now as you can see, these are all separate, so what you're going to do is just change one or two of them. What you're going to do is change the speed. You can change it to whatever you like. So then when you go from 100 and then it goes